What's going on, everybody? Today on this video I wanted to give a honest review on the program which is actually created by Basquiat. Sorry if I butchered the name, but I wanted to give my honest review on this actual program and some of the results that we have actually gotten from using this system that he has actually created. So if you actually just doing your due diligence, if you wanting to invest into yourself and start your Faceless channel, hopefully by going through this actual review you can actually make an informed decision, right? So as you can see, he's got his own Faceless channel, and pretty much he is creating videos and sharing a lot of value and giving you a lot of insights what most of the so-called gurus are not actually giving actually in the online space, especially with Faceless YouTube automation channel, right? And he's really good with AI, like I'll tell you that, because I've actually been in his program for I believe like 2 or 3 months, and some of the results that we have actually gotten from his using his system, and I'll share quickly with you. So this is the channel that we started fresh and got 55,000 views. This channel is almost monetized, and we started using his system just by what he actually shares in this actual program. This is another channel. It's a shorts based channel, and we start getting results. This is another channel. This is another channel that we actually started using his system, and this is another one, right? So I'll give my honest review and opinion on his channel. Like, I'm not doing a review just to show that I'm actually getting results, but I will also show you on the inside what other members are actually getting results using his actual system as well, right? So as you can see, I'm here in the program as well. So I actually started using, and this is just one of the baby channel that we got the results from as well. But I'll also quickly show you some of the other members that actually getting monetized. People are getting huge amount of success and results just by utilizing his system, right? So I can just keep scrolling down, and there's tons of people who actually getting results using his actual system. Okay, very awesome system, because what he actually teaches in his actual program is how you can actually use AI. All right, and you don't need to waste any money hiring freelancers or video editors or stuff like that. He actually shares like how you can actually just use AI and create videos very easily and very quickly, right? So that way you don't have that much competition, right? So if I actually just go in the classroom section, there is going to be a lot of information there. I don't want to be going on the inside, but I just wanted to show you that I am inside his actual program, and his program does work, right? So that's the main thing that I'll share with you, that his actual program does work. And personally, I've actually seen a lot of people actually sharing fake reviews, sharing fake information out there, but I want to be very transparent and show you that I'm on the inside. I'm using his actual system, I'm using his actual program, and his program does work, right? And this is my daughter here. Say hello. So whatever system he's actually created is awesome, and there's a lot of members inside his program. Like, there's like 4,500 members, and pretty much it is free to join. Say free. Yes, so it is free to join, and you can actually just join it, his system, and he gives a lot and lots, a lot and lot. Yeah, he gives a lot and lot value, and I've actually been in the online space for very long time, and I've actually been using. I've actually gotten a lot of program, right? So, and I've actually shared in my own YouTube channel that I'm actually getting results using all these other people's results and system. And I'm just wanted to share with you that his system does work. And if you just going in there, if you're doing the work, if you put in the work, if you put in the hard work, you're going to get results. And he also shares like how to also monetize the channel very fast, right? So you're not just wasting time finding ways what's gonna work, what's not going to work, because all the formula he's actually giving it to you, right? And whatever he's actually using to get results, he's sharing with you. So he's not hiding anything, like what most of the gurus are actually doing, right? Very transparent person. And I've actually been inside his program for 2 months, close to 2 months, going to 3 months, and I'm loving it. Because before this, I used to hire freelancers. They used to create the videos for me and do the everything for me, right? And I used to pay them money. But now, because of his system, what he's actually created inside his actual program, it's pretty much I'm pushing button and the video is created automatically. Like, it's so simple. And he's one of the main guy I'm actually following in terms of AI, because AI changes every now and then, and I'm using all his system and strategies. I'm actually getting results. This is not some sort of fake results I'm actually sharing. You can actually go to my Faceless channel. I'll quickly share with you, and I'll share with you like whatever results I'm actually showing. It is my actual results. And I'm very transparent. Like, from day one, I've been very transparent. And I know there's like a lot of scammers out there, trying to tell you like, hey, this is gonna work, this is going to work, but it doesn't work. If you wanting to get success with Faceless channel, if you putting the work, if you're putting in the hard work, if you're not scared, you're not scared to try something new and change your family's future and life, I highly recommend his actual program, because he's the number one go-to guy. And like, I shared a lot of results on my channel, like my clients interviews and everything I done. And you can actually go and watch on my channel as well, right? So if you're wanting to join, I leave a link just beneath this video. You can click and join his actual program for free, and you don't have to pay anything. And yes, he's a legit guy. I know there's a lot of fake gurus out there who's promising big results, and there's a lot of hype in there, but everything he gives lot of value, for what he's actually asking for, so you can actually join the group for free. You can click the link below this video and join, and I'll see you in the inside. God bless and bye for now.